or your computer status bar or search bar, type PowerShell. Then you find PowerShell like this and you click on it. It will launch it just as my own has been launched. Then what you do is that you type get-process. You give space, you type this and say what? Where-object. Then you give space and say what? Responding. Then you say dash equal to false. So false, you bring the $sign and say false. It means that get process where responding is what? False. Get all the process that are not responding on my system. That's a way it should be read in what? Or a way you read it in a normal or natural language. So you press enter. You see that in my system, I have this program not running, which is system settings. So in order to stop it from slowing my system down, what I'm going to do is to say what? Stop dash process. You give space, then you type this and say, okay, when you give space dash name, then you say what? You are supposed to type this name. So in order to avoid mistakes, just go and copy it like this. Then you go down, then you paste it and press enter. So now it has stopped. In order to detect whether it has stopped or not, just go and type the same thing that we've typed earlier, get process where it is false. But me, I'm just going to copy it, come down and then paste it and press enter. Now you see we don't have any program that is not running. So it means that my system is free now and it is ready for running smoothly. Thank you very much for following me.